Luminspheres Bioconjugation Kit enables the labeling of antibodies for immunofluorescence applications. Your kit contains freeze-dried luminspheres, conjugation buffer, quench buffer, running buffer, lateral flow assay, torch and manual. Firstly, add the conjugation buffer to the freeze-dried luminspheres. Immediately add your antibody for the luminspheres to conjugate to the antibody. Add the quench buffer. To confirm successful conjugation between luminspheres and antibody, run the supplied lateral flow assay. Pipette all of the running buffer luminspheres solution into the sample well of the lateral flow assay. Shine the torch over the lateral flow assay. A single fluorescent line confirms successful conjugation between luminspheres and antibody. Your luminspheres antibody conjugates are ready for use.